Enquiries! Welcome back to the channel. We are here today with another double spooky box club unboxing. We love a double unboxing. I was resistant to it at first. I liked everything having its own neat place, but they are fun because you get double the excitement. Anywho, we have two boxes here. What are they? I haven't even checked the themes or what order they go in. We have, ooh, La Luna and, ooh, the box of Misfortune. Which one comes first? Box of Misfortune is first. That is box number 63. Goodness gracious, we have been doing these for a while. Love that. Okay, so neither of these are telling me much, by the way. They're both pretty light. But, you know, there's been some boxes before where I was like, this feels kind of light. I don't think there's much in it, and it's been great, so I'm not gonna let that be how I judge a box these days. So we're just gonna pop it right open and see. We'll set this aside so I don't spoil my surprises. I'm not even gonna look in the box yet. I'm gonna have a feel. Okay, I can feel our candy, so we'll get that out of the way first. Ooh, we have a Refreshers Chew Bar. This one's strawberry flavor. Ooh, I do like strawberry. Ooh. So yeah, Refreshers Chew Bar. These sweets I have like a complicated relationship with. Things like this, I like them, but at the same time they're like really chewy, so they're kind of like difficult to eat. So even though I really like them, it puts me off because it's like a chore, but they are so delicious. So, but I do like strawberry, so I'm excited for this one. Okay. I had a peek. Oh, what is that? Okay. Right, there's something that I'm very excited for, but I'm gonna lift this little box first. This little mystery box. I'm gonna say that's probably a necklace. It's also another box for all of my pressed flower adventures whenever I get back into that, which I really do need to. Oh, hello. I think this is a necklace. It's just like a little sort of like tiny little bead necklace. They're like not fully white. There's like, I would call them like cloudy clear. So it's like a little cloudy clear, teeny tiny bead necklace. That's cute. It seems kind of strange for a spooky box, but it is like a nice little like layering piece. So I will definitely get use out of it. I was just surprised to see it in here. Okay, right, we'll go. Oh, I see. Oh, this is the thing I was excited about. I assume, judging by what it says on it, is that this is a pouch for your tarot deck. Which is really cool, and look how pretty it is. That's so nice. It's like a nice fake leather with like silver stitching. It has a little moon. That is really cute. I really like that. Oh, next up we have a little charm, like a little charm bracelet charm. I feel like we haven't gotten a charm in quite a while. And this one is, what do you call these? I feel like my granny used to call them evil eyes growing up, but I really don't know if that's right. These little things? But I think like the purpose is like to ward off evil or something. One of these anyway. I've actually been trying to look for something different to like sit on here when I record, because like I don't just want like a gaming chair or something, because you know I want it to be like a little sort of sofa thing so we can still have Josephine and everything. But the problem is, nothing will fit up here because I'm in the attic and it's such a small like hole that trying to find like things that even if it comes in parts and you put it together yourself, just even finding things that the parts are small enough to fit up through there to go into here has proven to be an absolute nightmare. So I'm still stuck on this thing and it still hurts my back, but powering through. Oh, so there's a really cute little patch here. It's a little ghost and it says spiritual advisor. That's adorable. I love that. I'm sorry if like, there's not a lot. I got rid of most of it, but if you can see any black on my fingers, it's because I was spray painting something earlier. I did manage to get most of it off, but there's still some little like bits. Oh, it looks pretty, whatever it is. Oh, I can see a little piece of it and oh, I love it. Okay, what are you? Oh, so I'm assuming this is either to put on your wall or maybe to put on like an altar or something. Let me just read what it says. Okay, so I'll show you it first and I'll read everything that's on it. So this is it. It's so gorgeous. I love the snake's face so much and it's just so pretty. Okay, so it says, as above, so below. As within, so without. As the universe, so the soul. And that's so it repeats. Okay, so yeah, that is that. So that's gorgeous. Oh, where am I gonna put that? Okay, so then the last thing in the box is this Just My Luck print, which is really, really cute. Okay, so that box was it felt like a wee bit lacking. I do really, really love that it's either like a tapestry or a hanging. I really do love that, and the tarot pouch and the little spiritual advisor patch. Those are very cute, but it did feel like there wasn't a ton in there. Still enjoyed it, but it's definitely, it would make it onto my list of like my favorite boxes. Next up we have La Luna. So let's see how this one compares. Oh, there's something cute. Oh, there's something cute already. Okay. Oh wait, we didn't read. So for the Misfortune one, we have the custom-made vegan leather tarot card case. Yes, custom made large tarot cloth or altar cloth, custom made quartz crystal, oh, it's quartz crystal beaded necklace. Okay, I guess that's a little more like on brand. So yeah, quartz crystal beaded necklace. Custom made evil eye bracelet charm, okay, that is what they are called. Custom made spiritual advisor ghost patch, yes. Custom made just my luck art print, and spooky box candy choice of the month. Yes, okay, we got all that. Okay, so on to the next box. Let me try to find the one of those that's in, there it is. Okay, put that to the side. So right on top we have this, which I am happy about. I assume there's one of those airbags in here, huh? Yeah. There we go. I was like, why is it squishy? We have a little pouch, and this one, oh, it's very nice. It's like a really nice little size. The fabric's like weirdly nice and soft. I really like whatever this is. I don't know, it feels good. It has the lovely sort of moon phases embroidered on it, which I love. So this could be like a little makeup pouch, pencil case, just various knickknacks. Maybe like camera batteries and stuff. I'm not sure what I'll put in here, but I am in constant need of little bags and pouches like this. No matter how many I get, I always find reasons for more, so I am excited about this. I'm always having to like switch things out of my pouches and like put them away and like put different things in whenever I have like a different need. So the more pouches I have, the better, so I don't have to do that. And this one is just very cute and pretty and simple. The candy in this one is, oh, it's another Refreshers bar, but this one is sour apple flavor. Ooh, straight away I can feel like, you know, when just like something sour gets you like back here. Also I like because it's like so warm up here that like usually these are kind of stiff, but like they are just so like soft and bendy right now because it's ridiculously hot. But yeah. Oh, our pin. Oh, it's cute. Oh, it's nice. Okay, let me take out the plastic so you can see it better. So our pin this month is this little celestial moon. So obviously like those white spikes are just on the card, so it's just a completely round one. But yeah, that's really nice. It's hard to show the pattern, but it does look really pretty in real life, I promise. Okay, so there's not a ton in here either. So next up we have the moon made me do it. It is a patch. Love that. Blame everything on the moon. We have a art print and it says, "The moon knows all my secrets," which is lovely. And then the final two things in this box are two small boxes. So box number one. Ooh, that's pretty. So very shiny. Okay, I love this. It's just so sparkly. It is like the sparkliest moon in all the land. I don't know how well you can see, but each one of those little sort of circles around this crescent moon shape is like a very sparkly crystal. I love that. It's so pretty. I'm like a freaking magpie. Like, God, those are really nice, like fake whatever is like the crystals in it are like so twinkly. I love that. Wow. And then finally the last little box is, oh, is this a bracelet? Oh, it is, and I don't have a lot of bracelets. Oh, this is cute. So, oh, it says something inside. Okay, so it is like a simple little sort of silver bracelet-y thing, and it has the moon phases like sort of in black along the outside. On the inside it's engraved and it says, "Stay wild, Moonchild," which I love. Will I be able to get this on? I sometimes have trouble with things like, oh no, yay, lovely, because I really don't, like, out of all my jewelry, the one thing I really don't have very much of at all is bracelets, so that is a nice little addition. Oh, okay, so, custom made moon time essentials pouch. So of course you can put absolutely anything you want in here, but I think by moon time, it implies that this is for keeping your like specific sanitary products, which is a nice little idea actually. But as I say you can put whatever the hell you want in there, but that is like a fun little sort of thing. So yes, custom made moon time essentials pouch. Then we have the custom made stainless steel moon phase cuff bangle. Yep, we got the, oh, custom made Victorian reproduction moon necklace. Huh, I never would have guessed. That's really interesting. Custom made celestial moon enamel pin. Yep, we got that. Custom made the moon made me do it patch. Yes. Custom made La Luna art print. Yep. And spooky box candy. Spooky box candy choice of the month. So like because my ring light is super bright and I've been looking up like this, whenever I look down now I can't see anything. I can just see a ring of light. Yeah. So that was cute. So again, this one didn't have like loads in it, but I really do like the stuff that was. So, like, I love this pouch. I love this necklace. The bracelet's real cute and the patch and everything. So yeah, neither of these boxes had like a ton of stuff, but I did enjoy the stuff that's in them, especially definitely out of the two of them, I far prefer the La Luna box. So yeah, that was everything in this double unboxing, and I will be patiently That's a lie, I'm never patient. I will be pretending to be patiently waiting for the next boxes so we can do another one of these, because I always enjoy this. You know, if I'm having like a kind of sad day, this is just such a nice little escape to just come and sit down and just, you know, have these little surprises. Like, you know, never know what I'm gonna get in them, and like no matter what it is, it's just like, it's like a fun little experience. Just like, oh, you know, so I thought I saw a face in my window. My heart nearly stopped. Oh! Can't be handling that. I love this so much. It's so shiny. Yeah, so that was, did I already say that was this double spooky boxing club. It's very hot. I think I'm done for tonight anyway, actually, so I can go just dunk myself in cold water. But I very much enjoyed spending this time with you. I hope you enjoyed spending this time with me. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. I would super appreciate that. If you're new here and you enjoyed this, consider subscribing. There are plenty of other videos for you to check out first. Most importantly of all, if you could check out my Patreon before you go, oh my goodness, I would just love you, because that is very important. That is exactly what keeps this channel going. So an extra big thank you to my current patrons, and a thank you to anyone who's going to go check that out for the first time today. The link is down in the description. So I think that is me off, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, lovelies.